Thinking about using an AI trading bot, but worried your account's too small to even make a difference? You're not alone. Let's break down the best AI trading bots for small accounts in 2025, and exactly what you need to watch for so you don't wipe out your balance on day one. This is FinTech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and deploy all things automated trading. If you're into bots, AI, and real-world strategies that real people can actually afford, hit subscribe. Alright, let's be real. Running a bot with $500 or $1,000 is nothing like running one with 50 grand. Smaller accounts mean less margin for error, so you need three things dialed in. If you're just starting out, Pionex is hands down one of the best. Why? It has 16 built-in bots, all free. That includes DCA bots and grid bots that can work well with tiny balances. The fees are tiny, 0.05% per trade, and you don't even need to connect a separate exchange because Pionex is the exchange. Next up, 3 commas. This one's a bit more advanced, but if you want more control over your bot logic, it's great. It supports DCA, grid, options, and futures bots, all of which can run on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and more. There's a free plan to test things out, and the cheapest paid tier starts at about $29 per month. And rounding out the list, CryptoHopper. It's been around for years, fully cloud-based, no downloads, super beginner-friendly. You get a drag-and-drop strategy designer, built-in backtesting, and a huge signal marketplace. They even have arbitrage tools. But honestly, if you're starting small, stick with DCA and signal bots first. A small account can't survive sloppy risk management, period. So, whatever bot you pick, use tight stop losses, don't over-leverage, and withdraw profits regularly. Protect your gains. Automation can help you grow, but only if your position sizing and settings are dialed in. So, have you run Pionex 3 CryptoHopper, or any other bot, on a small account? What worked? What flopped? Drop your story in the comments. Your real-world experience might help someone else avoid a rookie mistake. And before you fire up any bot, run your results through our free AI bot trade analyzer at fintechbotfocus.com. Upload your trade logs and get an instant breakdown of what's working, and what's quietly draining your balance. Links in the description. If this breakdown helped you out, smash that like and subscribe to FinTech Bot Focused. More bots, more real tests, and more practical trading tips that actually help you keep your capital intact. Catch you in the next one.